All right, here we are with my F350 2008. We're gonna start it up. Huh. Oh yeah, I got a DTC. One DTC. Camshaft position sensor. Huh. P0341. Says it won't start. No. Can't move it. Just a little piece of cardboard underneath there. We're going under the driver's side. We're gonna look for this sensor. So let's go. Looking straight up. So here we go. There's the bumper. Just up underneath the bumper. Past the sway bar. Sliding up underneath here. So there we go. It's the pulley. Now I'm on the driver's side. I'm looking up. Right here's my sensor. That is not good. Look at that. That is in a crappy place. So I move my phone a little closer so you can see that. Wiring's damaged. On a scale of 1 to bad, that's bad. That's got to be fixed. And it looks like my O-rings on my sensors are actually leaking also. All right, that has to be fixed. Let's find out what needs to be done. All right, this is what I had to do. I had to pull that harness up here so I could work on it. To do it, I had to pull the radiator hose off. The harness comes up way up underneath there. You can follow it, you can see where it's at. And down in there, down in here, it's tie wrapped to a little anchor. You got to cut that tie wrap to get it up here. There's also another anchor down below that's electrical tape, but you can get that off from below. So this is what I've done. I've cut the bad parts out, and I've used the heat shrink with the solder in it to add 2 different colors of wire so it kind of somewhat stays color coded. Here are the type of heat shrinks I'm using. I've got these stripped. Now I have to add these to that. So we're going to do that, and then we're going to plug it back up. Before I try to reroute it, I'm going to run another wire down through there that I can pull this with so it goes in the right direction. Because I don't think I can feed that through. So we'll see how it works. I'll let you know what I did. Probably not going to show it. I got Frank here helping me. If you're going to do this, have somebody help you. At least get this harness up. Okay, all right. Moving right along. All right, that's finished there. Going to rewrap this around it. Pull the ground down in there with it. It's not connected at this end, so you just wrap it. We'll put the loom back over it here. Tape this up. We'll tape it all the way down, and we'll just wrap the crap out of it all the way up to here. And then we'll put it back down. All right, let's move right along. All right, there we go. We got it wrapped. Got it wrapped pretty well. We're going to rethread it. All right, wish us luck. All right, you can see we couldn't put the anchor back in there so we just tied it to the hose there, and I'll show you underneath. Oh, see, got the connector right there. Now wire tied onto the anchor where it was electrical tape before, so that should hold it. Now to put the radiator hose back on it and try to crank it up.
She said she doesn't have a key.
Radiator hose is because she's sitting on it. Wife sat on the key. She says she didn't have a key. Well, she sat on it and disappeared. We're in trouble. All right. Letting it heat up. Hey, look at that. All right, guys, that's the way I did it. Hit like and subscribe.